the hair be doing whatever the hair wants to do. Again, the hair will do whatever the hair wants to do. Hello everyone, my name is Fanta. Yes, my nickname is related to the soda, I guess. No, I'm just kidding. In my culture, it is a real name, okay? But it's kind of my nickname. I go by that name. So let's just get the jokes out right now. Anyways, I think you may know me because, to be realistic, I think only my friends are watching this right now. Anyways, we are confined right now, although I do work because I'm considered essential worker. But whenever I'm off, I am confined. I stay at home and I don't know what to do myself. So why not make a YouTube video or IGTV video or just a video to keep for myself? I wanted to feel cute. I thought, okay, let me try something different that I don't really do with my hair, and maybe record the result or something. Not that I'm knowledgeable about hair anyways, but just for fun, okay? I'm making this just for fun, and see how it goes. It could be a fail, or it could be it could have a nice outcome, who knows, you know? Anyways, I decided to do a flat twist out. I never tried the flat twist out. I did try before a twist out and I did not like the result. I was just starting as a natural years back. I have 4C hair, and of course we were all starting in that wave of naturalista, and 4C hair wasn't as represented. I tried to twist out. It didn't look like the others, so I never done it again because the result wasn't there. But now I see more and more 4C hair having bouncing curls, you know. So I liked it and I thought, why not try again? So this time I'm gonna try the flat one. It's under this. I did wrap my hair because I don't want to look like an egg, although I look like an egg right now, like a big egg. Anyways, so I'm gonna just go straight to the video. Don't forget to, how do we say, subscribe, comment, like, okay? Anyway, let's see how this goes. Ooh. Do I see curls? Do I see bouncy curls right now? Ooh, that's different. Don't mind my egg head, okay? Like, I can't believe I'm actually showing this, but yeah. Okay, I see that it's not totally dry though. I can feel some moisture. It's been more than, what? Maybe 14 hours because I had it overnight. I guess I didn't let it dry enough, or maybe I put too much moisture. I don't know. I'm trying to be patient. I am not a patient person, okay? I'm not patient. That's why I think this never worked for me, because I would just roll it at the speed of light and end up messing the curls. So let's see.
One eternity later.
I see curls popping through. Okay. Let's see how the end result is. Like I said, I have like very short hair, so let's continue. I'm just gonna speed up this process because you're probably part of my 10 member of the fan club, okay? The only people that actually follow my madness, okay? So I'm not gonna put you through unraveling this, okay? Okay, I'm getting through that last braid. Ooh, you know that one braid that just pops, that you like you wish it was just that one all over your head? Yeah, that's what's going on right now. Like, look at this. Look at this. Okay, the ends are not perfect though, but look at this. I did that. But I look crazy, to say the least. I do look crazy right now. So I unraveled everything. Unfortunately, I guess I did not wait very long, so it's not completely dry. Some of them are not that dry, so it's okay though. It's okay. It's the first time. It's a learning process. We learn as we go. Okay, so right now what I'm gonna do, I am going to use this because that's what you use. Okay, how do you call this again? Okay, I forgot. I actually forgot, but I'm gonna use this to fluff out the bottom, just the bottom. I'm gonna make sure not to comb it through though, because you lose the curl obviously, and see how I can go ahead and style the hair overall. Okay, so I fluffed it out as much as I could without losing the entire curls. So as you can see, some parts are actually dry. Like I said, like this portion is pretty dry, but this portion is not as dry. Okay, so it's not the result that I wanted per se, but this is my first time doing so, and it's not bad. I don't mind it. I'm gonna do my edges, and then after that maybe I'm gonna style it into something and see. Okay, of course I'm not a braider, I'm not good at braiding, so probably my patterns were kind of different as well because of that, but it's okay. I like it. It's cute. Okay, it's still cute. It's wearable. It's not a perfect one that you may see online. Okay, and yeah, let's try to do the edges because you gotta control those edges. Okay, this is my best friend Eco Styler. Okay, if I can preach for anything, it will be this, just because it controls my edges well. Okay, I tried a lot of things. Eco does work for me. Haven't tried anything new though for years now, because listen, if it's not broken, why change it? Okay, this works for me. I said me. Okay, in front of a bigger mirror because I can't really see what's going on, and then do my edges. Okay, I am back. So I try to do my edges as fast as possible, something real simple. Yeah, but I think it's decent. I can go to work with this, you know, it's decent. I think it's cute. I will try again. I personally will try again. Like I said at the beginning, I actually thought with 4C hair you couldn't do much, but kudos to all these 4C girls that just try things and then show us the way, you know. I like it. This is not a tutorial, of course. It's just me revealing my results for the first time doing this with this type of hair. So as you can see, you have different type of curls because I didn't do the same pattern all over my head, I guess. So maybe next time I can try to focus on that, making sure that the sizes are the same, either choosing to do small or bigger. Making sure it's dry too is really important. Oops, I think that's the first thing they will teach you, and some people actually leave their hair to dry for days. I was not patient. I did it overnight. Okay, but who cares? So now I am trying to see if I can style this in a different way. Probably a mohawk. I'm the queen of mohawk. I do mohawk all day, every day. All day, every day. Okay, I just think that is edgy, and I actually take it to work because it's easy to do. Your hair can be messy in the morning. You just put it into a mohawk and you're good to go. Okay, so let's try this. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, I can see it. I can see it. So for that, I am going to use bobby pins, of course. I try to keep them alive. Okay, I lost a lot of them already because they just be disappearing. Nobody knows where it goes. Okay. That was one side. So usually I will put some gel on the side of it, okay, to make it look sleeker. but to be honest, I ain't got time for that. Okay. I think it's fine, just rough. It's just fine like that. It's just our hair. Okay, so I guess that's my compromise. Some people don't like doing their edges. I don't care about slicking it down. Okay, this is not bad. Okay, it's not a perfect mohawk again, but it's wearable. I like it. Tell me what you think I could do. I like it. I could probably secure it a little more and add another bobby pin to the sides. Really. So let me try. There you go. On this side as well. There you go. Okay, call me mohawk Fanta. This is it. What do you think? I think it's cute. I would definitely go out with this. Even though these ones are just being messy, but it's fine. Okay, our hair is like that. We got different textures and whatever. Okay, the hair be doing whatever the hair wants to do. Again, the hair will do whatever the hair wants to do. Period. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe wherever you're watching this. Follow if it's Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube. I'll probably be back very soon, okay? And try new things, different things, because I'm all about expanding your experiences, basically, if that makes sense. Don't quote me on any of this. I be rambling sometimes. Anyways, I like the results. Which one do you prefer, the mohawk or when it was like an afro? How do you call that? Like a afro side part? Which one do you prefer? I think I prefer the mohawk here. I think it just sculpts my face a little better. But hey, see ya. Thank you.